Howdy folks, welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living this week. So this week I went cheesy easy with a little bit of taco flavoring. I call it my Macho Taco Mac and Cheese. Turned out pretty good. I even made my own taco seasoning. I'll show you how I made this and how I made the taco seasoning. Come follow me along in this video. My God, what did you eat? Okay, these are the ingredients you're going to need for the taco seasoning. Put those all together. There you have it, taco seasoning. Add these ingredients to your taco seasoning and we'll come up with our special sauce for our taco mac and cheese. Let's get started. Put 2 tablespoons of butter into a frying pan, melt that down. Add your 3 tablespoons of flour, mix that all together. Now you're going to add a heaping teaspoon of the taco seasoning we just made. Mix that all together. Now we're going to thin this out with 1.5 cups of milk. We're going to add it slowly, stirring it and cooking it as we add it. Once that's cooked up a little bit, time for our 2 ounces of cream cheese. Put that in there, mix that together so that it's nice and smooth. Now we're going to add 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan. Again, mix that all together so that it's nice and smooth. We're going to pour that into a bowl so we can use our cooking dish for something else and set our cheese, our special cheese, aside. Now, time for the pasta, guys. This is a no-brainer. 1/2 pound of pasta noodles, 3 or 4 cups of water. Bring that to a simmer over medium heat. This whole process takes about 6 or 8 minutes total. Stir it around, add a little bit of salt, stir it around some more. Time to drain it off. Drain it off. Add that to our special sauce. Mix that all together. And set that aside. Time for the beef, folks. 1 pound of beef. I'm going to break that down and brown that up again over medium heat. I had to use 73% here, folks. So there's a lot of grease on this one. I'm going to drain off that grease. Boy, that screen sure does come in handy, doesn't it? Drain off all the grease. I actually think I drained off too much because now the meat's kind of dry. Oh well, probably healthier. Let's add the taco seasoning. Stir that all together. Now we're going to put our mac and cheese into the casserole dish. Add the taco flavored beef. Stir that all around. Add about 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar on top. Put that into the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. There you have it, folks. There you go. Oh yeah, look at that. Add a little sour cream on top, a little bit of lettuce, some tomatoes to make it pretty. Oh yeah. Well, now that's pretty good. What do you think, Mabel? Not bad, Junior. Where's the taco? Oh, you want a taco, do you? Well, fun. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed watching as much as I've enjoyed making it. Thanks for sharing and being part of my life. You know the drill. When the going gets tough, it's tough to find something to eat. Best way to do that, cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living, making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend, and definitely go with Jesus. You can't go wrong. We'll see you next week.